Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to do another unboxing, and this time it's the Samsung Galaxy A10s. Now you may believe that this is a late unboxing from my part, but I got my hands on this very good color. It's a nice color, and I believe that it's the nicest color of this version. And since I got my hands on it, I might as well do an unboxing. Color green. Now this is the basic Indian model, made for India. We have the paperwork here, the smartphone itself. As you can see, no logo. And we have here inside the box a charging brick. This is not fast charger, and we also have a micro USB cable. No headphones. Now let's continue with the phone. Just look at this color. This is a very nice color to have. I would not say that this is a fingerprint magnet, and holding it in hand, it's nice. Now I'm in Europe, and this phone was pre-activated because apparently the Indian smartphones need an Indian SIM card to be unlocked. So we're not on the welcome screen. But let me just go ahead and go on the software information. We have a One UI core of 1.1 and an Android version based on Android Pie. Now let me just connect to the internet and check for software update. This is the first step you do after you unbox the phone from the box and skip the welcome screen. Now as you guys see that we have an update available. The security patch level is of 1 December 2019. We see that we have a device stability improvement, enhanced features, and further improvements to performance. You already know things about this device, and nothing new, but I just wanted to do this quick video because of the color. You may see dual cameras here, but I just want to clarify that one is the actual camera and one other is just sorry about that. One is just the camera and the other one is the depth sensor. So no wide angle camera here. Let's just go ahead and install the update and wait for it to finish. Now this was just a quick video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next one.